Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and I'm back with my World of Weird book, which is using stickers from the Antiquarian Sticker book. And it's great to be using up some of the more weirder stickers. And yeah, so I was looking through the book, thinking of my next pages and the theme that I might do for the next page. Whoops. Showed you that one. I love this last one, the gallery. It was great, if I say so myself. So, yeah, I was looking through and there's lots of fishies and weird kind of shell-like things and deep sea things. And I thought, right, let's do a scene from under the ocean. So I got my paints out and I just scooshed over using these two colours. It's just acrylic paint. It's marine blue and spearmint. And I just, brushed over the page because it had the red. One of the pages, I think you can probably still see it shining through a bit, but it doesn't look red anymore, was there. And I've still left some kind of grungy bits around the edge, and I didn't do it entirely all smooth. So I was thinking it's a kind of window into the ocean, and I'm going to surround it by all the little shells and these little starfish things, and then I'm going to I'm going to layer up the fishies with the big monster fish in the middle somewhere. So yeah. Now, I don't know whether to faff and place them all round or whether just to kind of go for it. I'm thinking in my head I want to kind of come over the edge so that I can cut and then it would properly look like a mirror. But now that I'm thinking about it, the edge of this is all kind of torn and stuff, and I'm like, do I want a straight edge or do I want to just feel as if there's shells? Oh, look, I messed up my bundle. Do I want to make it look like there's just shells along the edge? Right, okay, I'm just going to go for it. So I've got my Pritt stick, but I've also got my 3-in-1 because I'm not sure that the Pritt will stick to the paint. But I'm going to give it a go anyway. I've forgotten 2 ticks. It's over here. My magazine, which has only got 3 pages left to glue on. Right, let me just move the fishies to the side and get myself back up on my seat. There we are. Right. Let's try the glue stick. So what I do with the stickers, oh, and there's a hair, is I stick them on paper. And I'll show you, because these are some spare undersea monsters. I just stick them on some paper and then I cut round them because I'm not keen on the border that the stickers come with. Now let's just see. Well, that seems all right. Okay, we'll just go with the Pritt stick then and save the expensive glue for more important things or for other projects. So I'm just going to maybe kind of just take them at random, I think, and maybe overlap some. Maybe. I hope I've got enough to go all the way around. Now, we might want to, whoops, what am I doing? Gluing the correct end. Let me just get a, oh, it was all going swimmingly. And then I glue the top of the shell. Oh, right. Let's just leave that one aside to dry. Let the glue dry. Right, now turn them over and then glue them. Oh, now, because my fingers are all sticky now. Now, I'm wondering if we should give that a wee fold. I wonder if it'll stick on the fold there, or if that'll just annoy me. Well, we'll leave it there just now, and if it doesn't stick on the fold, we'll give it a little snip up the middle. I'm sure it won't mind. Anyway, we'll just slap that one over there. What have we got next? Oh, it's another one of them. Let's do this one. So yes, it was a nice relaxing time, just cutting these out, and put that one in the corner there. It's nice and tall. There we are. Now we'll start working our way up. Just put that one underneath a little bit. What have we got? Ah, some fancy coral. Some of them look more sensible than others. The shells kind of look sensible. Put that underneath here. But ones like these, I don't know what that is. I'm guessing it's something sea-like. I think. I can't imagine that it's not something from the sea. Yeah, I'm liking how this is looking. So here's hoping I've got enough to go round. I've got those little spare ones on my sheet. If there's not enough to go round, let's try up this side. And I know some of you have started a book of weird. Now, someone had another name for it, and I thought it was a really cool name. And you know, now that I'm thinking about it, I can't remember what she called her book of weird. Oh, I can't remember. It was a really good name she had come up with. I wish I could remember. But nope, it's gone. So I hope this isn't too boring, watching me stick things down. Try and get that one right up to the corner there. Oh, here's a nice big one. We've not had a big one for a bit. But hopefully it'll let you see how you can use some of the stickers. This was a second-hand book I got very cheap, and it's already got kind of like watercolour paper. It's already quite mixed media like the paper. It wasn't just normal book pages. It's quite you know, it's already kind of paper that you can do things on, which is really good. Right, now I've got 2 things left. Will we make it without using the sticky one? Well, let's try. I've got to get all this done in this video finished in about 10 minutes, or I'm going to have to stop it and restart it because I'm under strict instructions to put the oven on at 20 past. Oh, it's going to be close. I think we'll just leave it because, you know, maybe the shells don't all meet up in the world of weird. See, that's what's going to happen. I need to just bend that in there. There we are. Near enough. So yeah, so I thought, oh, I'll jump on and I'll get my video done, and then I remembered that, oh, there's a time factor here. Oh, I think we'll put him right across. I'm calling it him. I have no idea whether these are hims or hers. And then we'll dot all the little fish round about. Yeah. Wow. It's quite eye-catching, do you think? Let's do something with this. There we are. Oh, my glue stick is almost used up. But I have another waiting in the wings. I will put this fellow here. How do I want him to be? I want to get a feeling of depth. So we're just going to tuck him under there. I might eke out, that's a good word, isn't it? Eke. I might eke out the last of my glue stick. So he's just swimming through there. Let's put him back a little bit so that his nose, because I'm not sure his nose will stand the fold there. Yeah. Okay, so we have this little guy, maybe there somewhere, and then a little group. Oh, there's some bits of paper from the paint on my finger, just in front in the foreground there. The three of them, they're three pals. And it looks as if they're about to fight this on. He just looks quite friendly too. I hope they're not going to fight. But he's got a big sword, so I'm not really all that concerned about how he might fare in a fight. Right, we'll get this big middle one down. It's quite a colourful thing, isn't it? I think maybe I'm going to have to succumb to the new glue stick. Try and find a bit that's not gluey. There we are. I'll get every last drop of that glue stick out. And last one, I think I might need to use the bigger glue for that one at the fold there. The stronger glue. made it. Right, and he was going to go about there. So I have one little final finishing touch for the page. What do you think? It's a bit mad. It is a bit mad, isn't it? How does it sit with the rest of them? So we've got these opening pages. The strange cat. He's been in the wars. And the dancing hares. And then some mixed media. He's tipping his hat and telling her, you win, you've got more hats. And then the hatching egg. And then this is my favourite so far, the Quirkville Manor Gallery. And then that is properly a bit mad. Anyway, I have these sticker sheets, which are Tim Holtz. I don't know what they're called, but they're little snippets from like quotes from books. And I've got, there is a strange fascination, you will find it exploring. And I thought, well, this is a strange fascination, and we're exploring the undersea world. So we'll get, there is a strange fascination. I think we'll just put it on top of this guy. Oh, I might need some glue. Right, that's just going to curl up. Right, there is a strange fascination. You will find it exploring. And I've given up on my fingers not being sticky. We'll put that at a slight jaunty angle there. Let's hold it for a second. There we are. So, oh, and I've got 3 minutes to spare before I put the meatballs on. What do you think? It's a bit mad, isn't it? Now I'm thinking maybe I should have piled up the seashells, because I know this isn't real, but seashells wouldn't be up there. They would all be on the seabed. But I thought I would frame and you were looking in. But now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't really look like a frame, because in my head I thought I would have them all out of the page and then I'd cut. But that's all nice and raggedy and I didn't want to have a straight edge. So yeah, anyway, it's done now. It's all bright and colourful and it uses up some of those strange stickers. So thanks for watching and joining me today in my journey into the world of weird. And if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.